Yes, I mean, after the Nemaya's world-class dance performance, I was like, they can win the show. But anyway, let's talk about someone else. I think this was Ethan Jan, who's 17, who's going to do Rubik's Cube amazing tricks. So let's have a look. Hi.
Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thanks.
Who are you?
My name's Ethan Jan, from
Ethan
Redlands,
Jan.
California.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
17 years old, so you're in school.
Yeah, I'm a junior in high school.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I actually don't really have much of an idea.
Well,
Who
what are you
did
going
it?
to do for us?
Just gonna do a quick Rubik's Cube act.
You make it sound so much more exciting than it actually is.
Yeah.
Do you think you can win this contest? Well, that's the spirit.
Yeah.
He was like, no.
Okay.
But
I
he
cannot
really
wait to
long
see what you're going to
neck.
do right here.
Thanks.
Go ahead, buddy.
So, judges, may I please come down to the front desk over there?
Please, the front desk. We're not checking you out.
Or desk.
Do you want to talk to the concierge?
All right, so in front of the four of you, there's a Rubik's Cube. Could all of you please scramble them up as much as you would like?
Like whatever we want.
Yes.
Okay.
You know what I used to do when I couldn't figure it out? I would take all the stickers off and re-stick them.
I did it too.
Okay.
I put a knife in them.
Now that these Rubik's Cubes are all scrambled up, I'm gonna do something a little bit fun.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital. To rock around, that's right. On top, it's tricky.
That's impressive.
It's tricky. That is incredible. No, you're not doing that.
It's a pity, 'cause we just can't hide. Tinted windows don't mean nothing. They know
Ow.
This last one, I'm gonna take you to the next level.
Ow. Okay.
What's the next level?
Upstairs.
I mean, the act in the beginning sounded very boring because it was like he didn't have that much of personality in the beginning. It was like, yeah, maybe can I win? No, I don't have a plan. But I have to say, that act was actually very nice. That act was very good. I mean, the fact that he can just spin them, and then was like, wow, I cannot even do half of that, or maybe 1% of that. But anyway. Great act. Well, maybe he'll see each other again on the live shows, but anyway, that was a good act.